This is ASUS Zenfone 9, and today we will demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browsing app on this device. First of all, launch the settings. Next, enter the apps category. Let me find it first. So it is precisely called apps and notifications. Next, go for the default apps section, browser app, and in here simply select Opera, therefore setting it as your default browser. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's launch it. At the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then go for settings, and at the settings page, scroll the page down, find the default browser section, click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.